Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about word of the day. The word of the day is turmoil, which is basically a noun which means a state of great confusion, disturbance or disorder. It can be any confusion, any sort of disturbance and disorder like any mental disorder. Let's take an example. The country was in political turmoil after the elections, which means the country was in political chaos or disturbance after the elections were held. Its synonyms are chaos, disorder, confusion, and its antonyms are calm, stability, peace. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel.